kids! Welcome to the jungle! Let's go on a counting adventure together from 1 to 10. 1 monkey swinging on a tree. Can you count? 1. 2 lions roaring loudly. 1, 2. 3 zebras drinking water. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 4 elephants splashing water. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 parrots singing together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 snakes slithering softly. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 giraffes munching leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 tigers playing happily. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 butterflies flying high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 frogs jumping in the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, kids! You counted all the way from 1 to 10. See you next time on EduFunKids.